25.
25.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Hashmi. 25. You can't hear me, huh? Wait, ma. Now can you hear me? Now can you hear me, Hashmi? Hashmi. 27.
27.
28. 30. Okay, Janvi, are you able to hear me, ma?
Good morning, ma'am.
Janvi,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
able
Yes,
to?
ma'am.
Okay, Hashni, now can you?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Hashni, now you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now come on, Janvi, fast. 3, 1.
3,
Mm. 3, 3. 3, 4.
34. 5.
3, 5.
5.
3.
33.
33, yeah. 3, 6, 36.
Mandala போட்டுட்டாரு.
3.
37.
38.
38. 39.
40.
40.
Very good. 4, 1.
41. 42. 42. 40. 43. 44. 44. 44. 45. 46. 46. 47. 47.
Yeah, good morning, Pranita.
49. 49. 50.
Very good, Janvi. Okay, next is Hashni.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, come on, read from 5, 1, 51.
5 1 51, 5 2 52, 5 3 53, 5 4 54, 5 5 55, 5 6 56, 5 7 57, 5 8 58, 9 59, 6 0 60.
Next.
6 1 61, 6 2 62, 6 3 63, 6 4 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70.
Very good, Hashni. Okay, Pranita. Pranita.
Ma'am.
Yeah, from 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How will you say 10? 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Next one.
11,
How will you say, ma?
1, 1, 2,
1,
1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20.
Very good. Next one.
2, 1,
Mm.
21.
Mm.
2, 1, 21. 2, 22. 3, 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30.
Mm.
3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6,
Yeah, good morning, Nitila.
3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40.
Very good. Okay, next is Rohita. Read from 4-1-41. Good morning, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good
41.
morning, Dev Krish.
41.
4-1.
Ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Kavyani. Have a good day. You too, Kavyani.
46. 40.
Oh, wait. How should you read the numbers? Wait, ma, Rohita. Rohita,
41.
listen. How will you read the number first?
Okay.
Suppose
41.
4-1.
41, 41 అలా అని చదువు
41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 65,
Hey, 40,
4-5-65. Yeah.
46.
4-5.
46, 47, 47, 48, 49, 49, 5, 40,
No, 50.
50-40. Wow.
50.
50-50. Okay, good morning, Nitek.
51.
Good morning, Velnamba.
Very good morning, Nitek.
51, 52, 52, 53, 63, 54,
Good morning, Nukshita.
55.
55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 48,
58.
48.
58.
Ah.
Itu నుంచి చెప్పొద్దు.
ఓకే ఓకే ముందే చెప్పు 59.
59, 49, 59.
60.
Mm. You are going to have a dictation today, numbers dictation. For that only I am asking everyone. Let me see how many of you are going to write correctly. Let me see.
61.
60.
61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 6,
6.
6, 6, 6, 6, 6,
66.
6, 6, 6.
Okay, come on. 6-7.
67, 68, 68, 69, 69,
70.
70, 70.
70. Very good, Rohita. But the tens you have to be even more clear, okay? Very good. No. Stop it. Till 70 only, okay? Very good, Rohita. Okay, next is Dev Krish.
Yes.
Dev Krish. Come on.
Yes.
Come on, Dev Krish. Nukshita, good morning, ma. Nukshita. Darshika, good morning. Tarnika, good morning. Yeah, good morning, Tarnika. Yeah, good morning, ma.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
No.
11,
How will you read 10? No. Stop it. 10. How will you read 10? Ah.
1, 1, 1,
20.
20,
Ah.
4, 5, 6,
Nukshita, mute yourself, and I'll call you.
Refresh.
2, 1.
2, 1. Come on.
21,
Sattama.
22, 22, 23, 23,
Hmm.
24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 27,
Hmm.
28, 28,
2, 9.
இது என்னது
28, 28,
நெக்ஸ்ட் மா இந்த ஆரோ பாருங்க இங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க 29
29, 29,
ம்
30, 30.
Very good, Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Okay, next is Nukshita from 3, 1, 31. Very good, Dev Krish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kanna. 3, 1, 31, Nukshita. Fast, Nukshita, come on.
31, 31, 32,
3, 3. Look at the screen.
34,
3, 3.
Look at it. 1 minute. Look at the screen.
33, 34, 34,
3, 5, 35.
35, 36,
Mm.
36, 35,
Mm.
37, 38,
Mm.
39, 39,
Mm.
5, 0, 5,
4, 1.
5,
4, 1.
41.
4, 1, 41.
42,
Mm. Mm.
4.
4,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
Mm.
5, 45,
Mm.
6, 46,
Mm.
7, 7,
Mm.
48,
48.
48,
Look at the screen.
4, 9.
50,
4, 9, 49 finished.
4, 9. No. Missing. 4, 9.
Okay. 4, 9, 49. 50, 50. Okay, Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Next is Darshika. Darshika. Yeah, good morning, Siddharth. I'll call you, ma. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Darshika. 5, 1.
51, 51,
Mm.
52, 52,
Mm.
53, 53,
Mm.
54, 54, 55, 55,
Mm.
56, 56,
Mm.
57, 57,
Mm.
58, 58,
Mm.
57,
5.
59, 59,
Mm.
50,
50, va? Sleepy, ah? Darshika is sleeping, ah? 60.
0,
Mm.
60,
Ah, very good. Next.
61, 61,
Mm.
62, 62,
Mm.
63,
6, 3. Mm.
63,
Mm.
6, 4, 6,
Mm.
4,
Mm. 6, 5.
5,
Mm.
55,
Mm.
6, 6,
Mm.
66,
Very good. 6,
6,
7.
7,
Mm.
7,
Mm.
7, 8,
6, 8.
8,
Mm.
68.
69.
69. 8.
69.
9.
69.
6.
69.
69.
70.
70.
70. Very good, Darshika. Okay, children, we'll start our session, okay? And then afterwards, we'll start our reading. Yeah, good morning, Ma Kartikeyan. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Satvika. Okay, children, today, Kavyani, are you ready to say Kidzi Anthem, Kavyani? 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 Kavyani is ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Yes, join your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, start ma Kavyani. Kidzi Anthem.
You're eating me. You're infinite. You're unique. My potential inside. Today I plus.
You're the wings.
You're the way. Means my flight. You defy me. You defy me. My potential inside. Today I plus. You're loving.
With all my might.
With all my might, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Very good, and thank you so much, Kavyani. As I said, you practiced very well. Very good girl. High five. High five. Yeah, high five. Good girl. Okay, children, ready for your actions activity? Ready? All of you are ready? Yes or no? Come on, stand up, all of you first. Stand. Stand up, all of you. Okay, now we are going to play sit, stand, that, okay? Come on, stand up, all of you. I want all of you to stand up. Vivan, stand up, Vivan. Okay, okay. Now, sit, stand, sit. What do you mean by sit? Stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit. Sit. Who stood up now? Darshika, wow. How, Darshika? Sit. Stand. Sit. Listen carefully, children. Okay, stand. Sit. Stand. Stand. Kavyani. Now, okay, sit down. Okay. Now, who is going to say months of the year today? Who is going to say? Kavyani will say, what? Okay, Kavyani will say, okay. Come on, Kavyani, January. Come on, all of you should jump, okay, children?
January, February, March, June,
April, May, June,
July, August, September, October, November,
December. Very good. I want all of you to bring a ball, big ball. I want all of you to bring a big ball. Come on, all of you go and bring a ball. Big ball, not a small ball, big ball. Come on, bring a ball and come with your parents, along with your parents, okay?
Big ball.
Yeah, big ball. See, you should bounce the ball and catch, children. So bring a ball.
Big ball and I use small ball.
Yeah, see whether it is bounceable, okay? It should bounce and you have to catch it. Put it down, you have to bounce and catch it. You have small ball. Show me the ball, Nitek. Now only you are running, a naughty boy. Have small ball, he said, and he's standing in his place itself. Very good, ma. Pranita is having 2 balls. Very good. Where is Vivan's ball? Children, I want you to go and take it, children. Come on, you yourself go and do your work. Be independent. Come on. See, the activity is you have to put the ball down, and as soon as it bounces up, you have to catch it. Okay? Put the ball down and it will again come up. No, that time you have to catch it. So like that, you have to do it for 3 times. Okay? I'll ask two children to do it. Now, who is ready? Pranita and Darshika. Pranita and Darshika, come on, unmute yourself. Bounce your ball and catch it for 3 times. Okay? Pranita and Darshika. Bounce down. You have to bounce it down in the floor. Put it down. Again, it will come up. No, that time you have to catch the ball. Bounce it. Catch it. Very good, Pranita. One more time. Very good, Pranita. Darshika. Come on, do it, Darshika. Others practice how to do it. I'll call you one by one, children. Pranita, mute yourself. Pranita, mute yourself. Okay, next is Rohita. I think Darshika is getting late. Rohita, bounce your ball and catch it. Come on. Bounce. What, ma? Where is your ball? Ball leda. You don't have a ball. Bounce it. Put it down. Bounce it and catch. Yeah, you teach her, Rohita's mom, how to bounce and catch the ball. Teach her and then let her do it.
Okay, ma'am. Where ball is jump by ball.
Okay, you get another ball. Kavyani, are you ready?
Jumping balls.
Kavyani.
Jumping.
Who is ready, ma? Hashini, Janavi, whoever is ready, come on. Okay. Yeah. Come on, Farnaz. Janavi, ready, yeah? Bounce and catch it. Once it comes up, you have to catch it with both of your hands. Yeah, come on, do it. Farnaz, do it, ma. Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. Ball ran away, Farnaz. Ready? Steady, go. Come on, start. Bounce it and catch it. Come on. Karthikeyan, do it. Farnaz. Farnaz, mom, you show her how to catch it. That's why she should try to catch it. Stand in one place itself, Farnaz. In the same place you drop your ball. Again it will come up, no? At that time you catch it. Okay?
Ma'am,
Hey, wow, Rohita, very good. Again 2 times. Wow, good.
she catch.
Good, very good. Okay, Rohita, good girl. Mute yourself. Farnaz. Farnaz, the whole day will try if you do like this. Farnaz, mom. Stand at her back and teach her. Hold her hand. Stand back of Farnaz, hold her hand and try and tell her how to catch that ball. Vivan, now do it, Vivan. Do it, Vivan, do it. Like that.
Proper.
You practice.
Right. Very good, Farnaz. Right, very good. Come on, Vivan, do it, ma. Hashini, ready? Vivan, wrong. Vivan's mom. Teach him how to bounce the ball and catch it. Yeah, Devkrish, do it, ma. Bounce it. You know how the ball will bounce, no? You have to put it down. Once it comes up, you have to catch. You should not go back of that ball. Put down and don't throw it up like this. Put it down on the floor. Yeah, now one by one I'll call you, children. Very good, Karthikeyan. Very good, Karthikeyan.
Vivan, come here.
Janavi. Bounce and catch it, Janavi. Where are you running behind that ball? Bounce it and catch it. Come on. Put it down. Bounce it and catch it. Ah. No, don't throw it up. Throw it down on the floor.
Okay.
See how Karthikeyan is catching very well.
Ma'am, it's not
No
bouncing,
air in the
ma'am. No air in the ball.
Okay, fine. But another time when I ask, keep be ready with that ball. Okay. Okay. Next. Sorry. Okay. Next is Hashni. Hashni, bounce your ball and catch it.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good diction. Perfect diction. You are. Very good diction. Hashni, don't throw it far, ma. Throw it in your place itself. Where you are standing, you have to throw it there only. Okay. Don't throw it far. It will run away. Very good. Darshika also good, ma.
நீ stand up தான் சொன்னீங்க அதனால நான் stand upல தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Okay, very cute. Okay, very good, Mahashni. Good. Come on, do it, do it. Karthikeyan, wow, Karthikeyan. Good boy, Karthikeyan. Darshika also good. Very good, Darshika. Now throw a ball to your parents. Stop it, stop it. Everyone stop it. Now throw the ball to your parents. Okay, 3 times. Throw the ball to your parents correctly and you have to catch it correctly. Okay? Darshika, come on, throw it. Don't bounce it. Not bouncing this time. Stop bouncing it. Now we have to throw it and you have to catch it again. Okay? Yeah, good. Karthikeyan, good. Hashini. Janavi, where is your ball? Now catch the ball correctly, Janavi. Throw it to your mama. Catch it correctly. Farnas. Throw the ball and catch it correctly, Farnas. Throw the ball and catch it correctly. Come on. Good. Rohita, where is your mama, Rohita? Ashni, throw it to your dad. Come on. Throw it and catch it. Very little distance. See how closer you are standing. Ashni cheating. Far. Little far. Okay, good. Both the hands. You have to catch it with both the hands, children. Darshika, very good, Darshika.
Okay.
Varna is also good. Janavi, come on, don't leave it, Janavi. Try. Very good, Rohita. Try, Janavi, try. Come on, see how your mama is throwing your ball. Come on, do it. Playing with your toy,
Why?
Hey, very good. Very good, Janavi and Rohita. Very good. Okay, children, stop. Very good. Okay, clap hands for yourself. Vivan, very good, Vivan. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. Very good. Okay, come on, drink 1 glass of water and come back. Drink water and come back. Darshika. Darshika, I'm marking you, ma. Dev Krish.
Say your attendance.
My name is Devesh. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Dev Krish. Darshika, ready?
Ma'am.
Come on, tell me your attendance.
Ashika, studying junior KG.
Very good. Okay, Dhanvin is absent today. Diction.
Ma'am, I miss Diction. I'm in 4 years old. I'm in studying junior KG.
Very good. Diction, the way you played with that ball, no, was really awesome. Very good, Diction. Next is Farnaz.
Okay, ma'am.
Farnaz.
Nani, ma'am. I am Farna Fatma. I am studying junior KG.
Finally, did you learn how to bounce a ball and catch it?
Yes, ma'am. Finally, at last.
Learned, Okay, the other day also I'll have this activity. That time you have to do it even more perfectly, Farnaz. Okay? Good girl, Farnaz.
Okay.
Hashini. Good.
My name is Asini. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old. I am Tiki girl.
Very good. Janavi.
I am studying junior KG and I'm Kizikar for airport.
Very good.
Thank you,
Karthikeyan. Yeah, welcome. Karthikeyan.
Yaraya Lama. My name is Karthikeyan. All.
See, everything you are counting and saying, my name is Karthikeyan. Everything. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Manila, ma'am. My name is Kavi Anli. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm
Where is your
Kizzy.
ball, Kavyani? Where is your ball? Did you play with your ball? I didn't see you. Sorry?
So far searching for that only, ma'am. Don't know where she kept the ball.
I don't know. Somehow you have to get the ball and give it to Kavyani. I want to see her playing. See, everyone were
Yeah.
playing, but Kavyani was not able to see. Okay, Kavyani? Definitely get a ball from your daddy. Either a new one or an old one, okay? And I want you to see it playing with it, okay? Very good. Nightek.
I'm
Nightek.
in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Nightek. Where is your ball, Nightek? Did you play with your ball?
Yes.
Is it bouncing? Is that a rubber ball or something? Hey, wow. Very good, Nightek. Thank you, Nightek. Nukshita. 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 Okay, marking you, Nukshita. Yeah, come on.
My name is Star. I'm junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Nukshita, where was your ball? Did you play with your ball? Yes, sir? You didn't play with it. I didn't see you. Is she able to bounce the ball and catch it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir? Is it bouncing? Oh, very good. Thank you so much, Nukshita. I didn't see you. That's what I asked you one more time, okay? Okay, next is Pranita. Thank you, Nukshita. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. Junior KG. I am 4 years old. I
Very
am
good.
50 old.
Yeah, good. Rohita.
My name is Rohita Fola, so I'm junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik, where is your ball, ma, Ritvik? Did you catch the ball correctly? I want to see it one more time. I want to see it one more time. Stand up, bounce your ball and catch it. Stand up first. First you have to stand. Stand, ma, Ritvik. Stand. Now bounce it, put it down. Oh my God. Where are you throwing the ball? Bounce it in your place itself and catch it. Ritvik's mom, teach him, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Once he catches it, you call me. I'll see him how he is doing it.
No thanks.
Okay? Okay, very good, Ritvik. Nitila.
My name is Nila. I study in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Did you catch the ball, Manitila? Did you catch the ball, bounce it and catch it? Hey, wow, very good. Good. Very good, Nitila. Wonderful. It's Satvika. Thank you, Nitila. Satvika. Satvika Sri. Why sitting too far? Why sitting too far? Okay, now bounce and catch it. Let me see one time.
Ma'am, it is a plastic ball.
So it's not bouncing.
Yeah,
It's
it's
your
not
mistake, no?
She lost
Get a
all the
bouncing
balls,
ball for her. Okay, another time also I'll do this activity. Okay, thank you so much, Satvika. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am, sir. My name is
Siddharth, where is your hair, Siddharth?
to temple.
Temple. Siddharth's mom, not at all fair. Okay, come on, Siddharth.
Siddharth, good. My name is
Come on, come on. Let me see how you are catching your ball. Come on, fast.
My name is Siddharth. I'm studying in junior morning.
Good morning. Very good. Is he able to bounce the ball and catch it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Tarnika?
My
Yeah,
name
good.
is Monica. I am Indian kid.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
What na Tarnika? Tarnika?
4 years old.
Why so confused today, Tarnika? What happened?
I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, come on, bounce your ball and catch it. Let me see. Ah. Hey, one. Very good. Well done, Tarnika. Very good. Tilakar is not there. Okay. Vishank.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vishank. Did you catch the ball, Vishank? Did you bounce it and catch it? Yes, sir, I didn't see, ma. Don't throw it on the laptop. Then your mummy and daddy will scold me. Come on the floor.
Plastic
Get
ball.
on the floor. Plastic ball, ah.
Yeah, but he did catch
Next,
it.
next time I want a ball which is bouncing. Next time, by
Right.
tomorrow. Okay? Even if it is a big ball or a small ball. Okay, Vishank? See, ma'am is asking to get you a new ball. You will not say thank you to ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Vivan.
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 One triangle. One triangle.
Okay.
One play.
I asked you the attendance and you're saying I playing with the ball and all. Huh? Vivan. Oh my God. Okay, I'm marking you, Vivan. Vidyut.
Good morning, ma'am. I am David. And David studying in junior KG 4 years old.
Where is your ball? Where is your ball, Vidyut?
Not bouncing, ma'am. No air.
No air. The lockdown.
He
All the
tried,
air
but
went
it
out.
didn't.
Okay, fill it with air if you can. Okay. Okay, Zadi.
Absent.
Zadi. Absent. Okay, children. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana.
Ma'am.
Say good morning.
My name is.
My name is Lakshana.
I am.
I'm studying 4 years.
I am 4 years
4
old.
years old.
4 years.
Aisa. Old. Okay, very good. I marked you. Okay, tell me, ma. Kavyani, you got the ball. Where did you get the ball?
Ma'am.
Where did you get the ball? Sorry. Okay, come on. Do it. Do it with the ball. Come on.
Catch.
Catch. Try to catch it. Lakshana, do it, ma. Lakshana, you also do it, Lakshana. I'm watching everyone. Do it. Come on. Do it. Throw it down and catch it like this, ma, Kavyani. Throw it down. Once it bounces, you have to catch it like this. Okay? Yeah, good. Like that only. Okay, children. Very good. And our attendance session is over. And what rhymes we learned last week? Rocket. And today we are going to learn a new rhyme. Okay? Okay, now come on. Anyone, can you draw a pentagon and show me? Who is going to draw a pentagon and show it to me in your slate? Bring your slate. Draw a pentagon and show it to ma'am. Come on. Come on. Take your slate. Draw a pentagon. Okay? See first like this, and then like this, and you have to join it. Pentagon. Okay? Wait. I'll draw it a little more bigger. Pentagon. Yeah, more Tarnika. Is it correct, Tarnika?
Yeah.
How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. Now shall we sing the rhyme? A pentagon comes with 5 sides, with 5 sides, with 5 sides. A pentagon comes with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A pentagon comes with 5 sides, with 5 sides, with 5 sides. A pentagon comes with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what shape is this? It's a pentagon. Okay, now next the rocket rhyme. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Okay, children. Now next are sounds, children. What sounds we learned so far? Yes? What sounds we learned? I'll write and show you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, this one. CH. What is CH? CH. Cha. Very good. SH. Very good. TH. Okay. Now we are going to add 2 more letters to it. Okay. Shall we see what does it make? When you add CH is cha, right? CH is cha. What is IN? What is IN? In. Okay, now together, how will you pronounce cha? In? Cha in? Chin. Very good, very good. Cha in chin. Okay, and then TH is here. Okay, TH is the. Okay, the sound of TH is the. Okay, when you add AT, what will it become? The at that. Okay, the at that. Again, the is this. See here. The is this. This is a marker. Okay, this is a cap. This is a board. Like that. The is this. The at that. Okay, and then ch in chin. Like that, we have to blend the sounds together to make it a word, children. Okay. And now next is, I want you to take your maths notebook, children. Take your math notebook. Write today's date. Today's date is 30/11/2020. Write today's date. 30/11/2020. Parents, above that you have to write dictation. In your math notebook, not English notebook, in your math notebook, you have to take it and write. Numbers dictation. Today's date is 30/11/2020. Children, the month is going to get over. Next is another month. Finally, we are going to enter the month of December. Okay? 30/11/2020. Vishank, I want you to write the numbers, Vishank. Don't play, ma. Come on, write. Finish your work and then you can go and play. Okay? Okay, the first number is 27. I'm not going to say 27 like that. 27. Write number 27, Vivan. You can eat afterwards, Vivan. Write number 27. Vishank, write and show me number 27. Yeah, good Farnas. 27. Nitila, up to how many numbers you have finished, ma, Nitila?
20, ma'am.
20. Okay, if she's able to write, let her write. Or
Ah,
else leave it. Don't force her, okay?
2, 7, 27 சொன்னேன் மேம் எழுதிருக்காங்க மேம்.
Okay, very good then. Good. Vishank. 27. Finish. Only Farna showed to me. Others, what you are doing, children? Write only one number. 2, 7, 27. That's it. Okay. Leave one box and then you write 3, 9, 30. Sorry, 39. 39.
Ma'am, Ritvik is not
39.
writing.
Why, Ritvik? Ritvik, if you write, then mommy is going to give you a chocolate today.
Okay.
Big chocolate. Yes, buy him a chocolate and give it to him, Ritvik's mom.
No, I'm
Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
What is he saying?
He
Come
wants
on,
to
Ritvik.
get-
Good boy. You're going to get a star also. Come on, write.
already learned the
Okay, give that.
Okay, Mama will give you. Come on, write. Nitik, finish. Nitik, I didn't tell you to write the whole number, Nitik. Whatever numbers I'm saying, you write. Okay, good. Very good, Siddharth. Good. Yeah, Tarnika, good ma. Next is 55. 55. I'm also going to write. Janavi, are you writing? Next number is 55. Janavi, are you writing, ma? Finished, Karthikeyan? Yeah, good, Karthikeyan. 55. Very good, Dev Krish. Leave one box and write, children, okay? Don't write continuously, okay? 55 finished. Next number is, very good, Farnas. I saw yours. 13. 13. Next number is 13. 13. 13.
Finish,
Very good, very good. 62. Next is 62. 62. 62. 62. Nitila and Lakshana, parents, you can teach them and write. You can tell them what to write and then they can write. But others, you have to write it on your own, children. Ritvik, come on, Ritvik. I'm seeing you, Ritvik. Come on, write. Yeah, good, ma, Hashni. Very good, Hashni.
Ma'am, Tanika finish.
Finish, very good. Nightik, finish. Satvika, Nightik, Vishank. Till now, you didn't show me anything, Vishank.
Ma'am!
Yeah, Satvika. Writing correctly, yeah? Okay.
No,
Very good. Next. Next. Shall we move on to the next number? Next number is 25. Very good, Nightik. I told you to leave one box and write, no, Nightik. You are writing continuously, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay, it's okay, no issues. Okay, next number is 25.
The 25 ready.
20.
25. Yeah, Farnas. Farnas is writing very quickly. Very good, Farnas. 25. Karthikeyan, good ma, Karthikeyan.
Ma'am.
Ashni, very good. Dev Krish. Darshika, Dev Krish. Vishank, I'm keeping on calling you, Vishank. Yeah, I'm not able to see closer. 1 minute. Yeah, good, ma, Devkrish. Good. Rohita, what are you writing? Dikshan, I saw you, Dikshan. You're writing correctly. I saw. Good. Rohita,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
sure. Kavyani, are you writing, ma? Good, Rohita, I told you to leave one box, no? Continuously you're writing, ah.
She crying,
Okay.
ma'am.
Why? For
25.
what?
How to write 25? How to write 30? No, no.
For
How to
that
write
only.
62? She
If
asked me.
possible, you can make a chart. 100 numbers, you can make a chart and stick it in the wall. Let them look at it and read.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is school means they will read regularly looking at that numbers, but since it's online session, no, it's very difficult for them to
Yeah,
get
ma'am.
it. For that only, regularly if they see that numbers, they will learn.
I have number cards also, ma'am. Daily I'm
No
playing.
need of number cards, Rohita's mom. You write 1 to 100 in a chart, half chart or full chart. You draw boxes and write in that and stick it in the wall.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, whenever you are free, you can ask your child to identify the number also.
Today I'm
Where
doing.
is 54? Where is 62? Where is 25? Like that, you can ask them.
Always she watching mobile, ma'am.
That's what you give her activity like this. Then only she will not watch mobile.
Okay, ma'am. Today I will do.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Okay, class.
Okay, next number. Next number is 57. 57. 57. Okay, I myself will say the number. 5757. 5757. Finished? Very good, Farnaz. Good. Those are showing very good. Kartikeyan, and then Pranita, Devkrish, and then who else? Harshini. Good. 57 finished. 44. Next number is 44. 44. 44. Yeah, Dikshan. Good. 44. Rohita, I am saying, see, you need not ask your mama. 44. Yeah, good, ma. Ashni. 44. Kavyani. For Kavyani also, I request the parents, you can write the numbers from 1 to 100 and stick it in that wall. Whenever she is free, you can ask her to identify the numbers.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. I think she is having some doubt in writing. Correct?
No, ma'am, she don't know how to write very small. She writing very big.
Big. I asked you to take math notebook, no?
See, in each box, she's writing one letter, one number, ma'am.
Already it happened, I think.
Yeah, yes.
Kavyani, take your maths notebook, ma Kavyani. I'll tell you how to write. Come on, take your math notebook. When you come out of what problems you are facing, only I can guide you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, Sangeet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kavyani, take your notebook. In one single box itself, you have to write small, Kavyani. In that box itself, and the box குள்ளே சின்ன குட்டியா எழுதணும். எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Right? 2, 1, 21. குட்டியா எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
One box literally, no, 2, 121.
Only one box. Small, very little. Come on, show me how you are able to write. Show me.
Ma'am, after 44, what number, ma'am?
I didn't say anything. Just till 44 I have stopped.
Okay.
Show me closer, ma Kavyani. Let me see. Is she writing in one box? Not able to
Yes.
see clearly. Now writing, that's it. You have to guide her like that. Okay, Kavyani, hereafter whatever number I say, you write it inside that box only. Okay, va kuttiya eludna adukulle eludiralam. Okay, for that and all you need not keep your face like this, mom. Be happy. Okay, nothing is there that you cannot do. You can do everything. Okay, Kana, smile. Yeah, come on, start writing. Okay, now the next number is 21, children. 21. You finish, no? You need not write, Kavyani, okay? Next number is 21. 21. And the next number is 17. 17. 17. Vishank. Tell me, Vishank. Vidyut, are you writing Vidyut? Yeah, Vishank.
Yes, ma'am. For it.
Vishank, tell me, ma. Show me what you have written. 17. 17.
79.
He is not doing anything, ma'am.
He's not writing Avai. I want Vishank, Dad. I want you to stay after this session.
Clean அழகா இருக்கும்.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma Siddharth. Vishank, try to write Vishank. Very good, Nukshita, good. Dikshan, very good Dikshan. 1 in the side varno. 7 in the side varno.
Ma'am,
Very
he's
good,
writing,
very
ma'am,
sweet.
but I have to say like
It's
27.
okay, you tell him, but he should write in the box itself. It's okay, I know that. No issues. You can tell him and let him write. No issues. Very good, Vidyut, but good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next number is, come on children, now the next number is 3636. 3636. 3636. Yes, ma, Nukshita. What, ma? Finish. Very good. 3636. Very good, Siddharth also. Next number, final number 4, 6, 8, 9, 2020. 2020. Yes, finish. Parents, you can correct whatever they have written. 2020.
I finished.
Okay, now correct it and give them stars. Stars, smileys, whatever you want to give them, ice cream, whatever you want to give them, give them. Very good, Devkrish. Devkrish, you did it on your own. Well done, Kana. Very good, Devkrish. Good boy. Come on. What do you want? You want a smiley? Or do you want a smiley? You want a star?
He is not able to identify the greater number. That is the only problem.
Oh, okay. We'll teach. I'll teach you. Okay. You learned that also. No issues. Done. Good. Come on, children. Get it corrected. Yeah, get it corrected. Yeah, good, ma. Mokshita, Tarnika. Very good. Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Wow, ice cream for Vidyut. Nukshita. Good, Mokshita. Sorry, Pranita. Very good, children. Very good, Vidyut. I no. Pichu, no. If you are in the class, no, I'll hold your hand and I will never let you go. Okay, children. Now the worksheet is D100 CT. D100 CT. Write today's date and write. Today's date is 30/11/2020. Here you are going to show the boy In which way he have to go and throw that bottle in the dustbin? Help the boy throw the used bottle into the dustbin. Which way he should go? Will he go in this way? If he goes in this way, there is a block, right? So this is wrong. He cannot go by this way. Shall we try this way? Go up, come down, again straight, go up, and then to your right. Here. Finished? D100 CT. Okay, very good, Ritvik. Good, Ritvik. Next worksheet, D100 LT. D100 LT. Here you are going to circle the odd animal in each row. Odd means different. Vishank. Finished, Vishank?
Yeah, he's done with the maze, ma'am. He's on the other page.
Odd. First you are going to say it, Vishank. Vishank, see here, first row you have cow and calf. What is odd here? Different here. What is different in this line? Odd one. Which is the odd one here?
This is ma'am.
Name it, ma. Name it. It has a name, no? Cow, calf, cow, calf. And what is odd here?
Dog.
Dog. You have to circle the dog. Very good, ma, Vishank.
Help us, Nandana.
Okay. Now next one. Giraffe. Vishank, next one. That too you have to say. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Now what is the angle of a giraffe?
Listen to ma'am. Give it.
What is odd here, Vishank? Unless you concentrate, you will not do anything, Vishank. You can
Vishank.
play afterwards. Keep your
What?
pencils down. Come on, find out what is odd here. And everyone is going to say Vishank is a bad boy. You want that?
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Mm.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Mm.
Giraffe.
What is odd here?
Wolf.
What is odd here, Vishank?
Say loudly.
Wolf.
Very good. Circle the wolf. Are you circling it?
Circle. Circle it.
Naitik, the third one. Elephant, calf, elephant, calf. What is odd here, Naitik?
Naitik Pari, elephant cuff leda. Then now.
Elephant.
Elephant, calf, elephant, calf. What is odd here? Different one here.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಏದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ
See, everything is elephant here, no? Is everything elephant here?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು
Giraffe.
ಜಿರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲ zebra
Zebra.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು
Naitik. Naitik. Wake up, Naitik. Naitik. In this row, you have all the animals are elephant or anything is different in this line. This is an elephant. Look at the screen. First, look at the screen. Is this an elephant? Yes or no?
elephant
For that also, you look at your dad. Come on, answer me. Is this an elephant?
ಇದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಆണോ
This one? Is this an elephant? Look at the arrow. Is this an elephant?
Yes.
Yes, this is an elephant. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is an elephant?
No.
No, so this is different, right? This is the odd one. This only you have to circle. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Come on, circle it. And the final row, who is going to say Vidyut? Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, what is different in this row? Cat, 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 cow. Which is different?
Sound pare.
This one.
This one. Pasha sendadadu.
Cow.
Cow. Very good, Vidyut. Cow.
Thank you.
Finished?
Yes, ma'am. We finished, ma'am.
Very good. I request all the parents to make a chart and then you stick it in the wall so that the children, they will regularly look at it and read. Okay? And one more activity is there, children. Okay, I taught you about 4 types of pollution. Yes or no, children? Yes. Yeah, I taught you about 4 types of pollution. What are they? What are they?
Pollution.
Very good. Now, okay, very good, children. Now look at the screen. You are going to identify what type of pollution is that. Okay, one by one, I am going to show the picture. You are going to identify it. Okay, ready, all of you? Ready? First is Darshika.
Air pollution.
Very good.
Darshika.
Air pollution.
Very good, air pollution. Dikshan. Dikshan.
Pollution.
It is a garbage pollution.
Land.
Garbage. Where will you throw the garbage? On the water or land or air?
Land pollution, ma'am.
Very good. Land. Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am. Say loudly.
Land pollution.
Pollution.
Open your eyes and see. Land pollution.
What is this?
Come closer and see. What is this pollution?
What is this, ma'am? Say them, ma'am.
Land pollution are still. Can you see water here?
Water pollution.
Water pollution. Very good. Farnaz. What type of pollution is this? Farnaz.
Air pollution.
Farnaz. Wait, ma, Rohita. I'll call you, Rohita. Wait. You will get your chance. Wait. Mute yourself, Rohita. What pollution is this? What can you see in this picture?
Road pollution.
Farnaz, mom. Wait. Let her think and answer. Wait.
Air pollution.
Very good. Air pollution. Very good. Okay, next is Harshini.
Yes,
Harshini.
yes,
Now,
ma'am.
what pollution is this?
Air pollution.
Huh?
Air pollution.
Air pollution. Can you see my screen properly?
No, ma'am. She's saying only road. She's saying
No, I saw it. No, I got it from Farnaz that she said it is air pollution. Okay, it's okay only. Good. Next is Harshini.
What pollution is this?
Land pollution.
Yeah, land pollution. No air pollution. Okay, now what is this? Jahnavi. Jahnavi. Okay, Kartikeyan, answer ma.
Water pollution.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani, what pollution is this?
What pollution is it?
Pollution.
Yes, ma?
Noise pollution.
Land pollution.
Noise.
Noise pollution. Very good, Kavyani. Noise pollution. Okay. And then next one, Nightic. Nightic, what pollution is this?
Didiya. The foggy one.
When they draw a hole in the road, how do you feel? How do you feel? What comes out?
Foggy.
See what comes out from that machine.
Air.
Very good, Nukshita. Come on,
Really?
Nightek. You will
Sorry?
get lot of noise from that machine, no? If they are breaking a building, if they are drawing a hole on the road, what you will hear?
Noise. Nice.
Nice.
Apana.
So
Noise.
what pollution is this?
Pari.
Air
Noise.
noise pollution.
Noise pollution. Okay, very good. Nukshita. Nukshita. What pollution is this? Very good, Nightek. This all you know, but noise pollution you don't know what Nightek. Okay, now Nukshita, come on, answer.
Okay.
Nukshita. Okay, Pranita, answer this. What pollution is this?
Air pollution. Air pollution.
Pranita, what pollution is this? Rohita, what pollution? Air pollution. Very good. Rohita, what pollution is this?
Water pollution.
Water pollution. Very good. Ritvik, what pollution is this? Ritvik, what pollution is this, ma?
What is this?
What pollution?
Water pollution.
Water. Can you see water here? Water, land or air? Yeah, land pollution. Very good. Okay, next is Siddharth.
What pollution?
Siddharth, what pollution can you see here? Air pollution. Very good. Then? Deepavali. Pranita, mute yourself, ma. You can see two types of pollution here. One is air pollution and the other one?
Noise. Solla, the
Other one?
Noise pollution.
Very good.
Yeah, noise pollution. Well done, Siddharth. Satvika. What pollution is this, Satvika? Satvika, what pollution is this? Noise pollution. Very good. Noise pollution. Very good. Okay, next. Sorry. Siddharth, Satvika, finished. Tarnika. Tarnika.
Noise.
Noise and? Noise and? Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Noise and what pollution, ma?
Pollution.
Yeah, very good. Noise and air pollution. Okay. Tilakar, can you see what pollution is this? Air, water or land pollution? Tilakar? Huh? I can't hear you, ma. Water pollution. Okay? I'm calling you only, Tilakar. I'm going to meet you after this session, okay? Wait. Okay, next is, sorry, whoever I didn't call. Vishank. What pollution is this, Vishank?
Air pollution.
Very good, Vishank. Stay, Vishank. What pollution is this?
Noise pollution.
And?
Noise. Okay, then?
Air pollution.
Okay, this one?
Noise pollution.
Very smart. Very good, Vishank. Thank you, Vishank. Vidyut. What pollution is this, Vidyut? Vidyut. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Unnecessarily don't unmute yourself, ma. What pollution is this, Vidyut?
Noise pollution.
Really, noise pollution, Okay, what pollution is this? Look at the screen and say.
Air pollution.
Air pollution. Very good. This one?
Water pollution.
Hey, wow, Vidyut. Give a high five for Vidyut. Vidyut's mom. Good. Very good. Next is Vivan.
Thank you.
Yeah, well done, ma. Vivan, identify.
What is this? What is this?
What pollution is this? Air, land, or water?
Water.
Okay, this one?
Air.
Air. This one?
This one? Noise.
Very good, Vivan. Nitila. 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 Finish it. What pollution is this?
Noise pollution.
Noise pollution. Okay. This one?
இது என்னப்பா இது என்ன பாச்சு இது என்ன அங்க பாரு பாச்சு
புகை.
அதான் என்னது
Pogana enna pollution? Air pollution. Okay. This one?
Air. Water pollution.
Okay. This one?
இது என்னப்பா
Mineral pollution.
land
Land pollution.
Very good. Lakshana. 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 Lakshana, are you not there?
Lakshana.
Come on, tell me what pollution is this?
What pollution?
Land pollution or water pollution? What pollution?
What pollution? Land pollution.
Very good. This one? Tell me, ma, what pollution is this? Water pollution. Okay, Nukshita, you're back, Nukshita. Come on, tell me what pollution is this, Nukshita. Very good, ma, Lakshana.
Water pollution.
This one?
Road.
Road only. What can you see here? Lot of smoke here, no?
Land pollution.
No. Air pollution. Lot of smoke you can see here, right? So it is air pollution. And what is this?
Water pollution.
Very good. This one?
Noise.
Noise pollution. Very good. And thank you so much, children, for cooperating. Bye, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye, Nishank. Stay. Tilaka, stay. Nitila, stay. Lakshana, stay. Yeah, bye, Ritvik. Bye, Ritvik. Yes, ma, Karthikeyan. Oh my God, I forgot, Karthikeyan. Tomorrow definitely we'll speak, okay? Sorry, Karthikeyan, I really forgot, ma.